What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Honor smartphone keeps updating by itself. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now click on software update and then click on this three dot more option on the top right corner. Now tap on device settings and here you will see a auto download over Wi-Fi button and update overnight button. So turn off both buttons. So from the pop-up tap on disable and then turn off update overnight, and from the pop-up tap on disable to confirm. Now after turning off these buttons your phone will stop updating by itself. So after doing this, if your phone is still updating by itself, then the next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting the phone it will fix the auto updating issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end and click on, now here click on system and updates and then click on settings. Now here in settings click on reset all settings and then again click on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will click on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the auto updating issue in your Honor smartphone will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.